how's it going? What's a big man big? Look at my things that I made in it. And I can make whatever I want. And I can make a rocket ship. I can make a spaceship or a jet or a house, a rocket house, like with jets and stuff. And this is like a diamond. Like, I just don't know what this is. Is this transferring into this? And I can make it transfer into a car stuff. And stuff. And I can make it transfer into a sailboat. It begins. And then also I can make it transfer into a sailboat. Yep, I can make it transfer into a sailboat like that. Fast sailboat, guys. And this, you'll know that I can make some cooler and make a monster truck and stuff. It's these cars, but they don't have wheels. Pretend these are the wheels. Like see, pretend these are the wheels. And some are the real monster trucks. Some are the monster trucks. Some are the tourist monster trucks. Some are the real monster trucks. Some are the ones going to dirt. And there's this.
What are you going to build for us, Alex?
I'm going to build you like a rocket ship with 3 sides and one in the top.
Okay, show us what you can build.
You know what? Dave, I can build one of these. That's awesome. Here you go like this. And I got a really little fork. I can make a flying. I make a flying jet one. I can hook this up to here. And so that I can pick that. And I can put and I can there. Ah, don't fall. And then, okay, got it. And show you what I can do. This is awesome. Yeah.
What are you building, Alex?
I'm building.
Tell us what you're doing. Keep talking.
And I'm building a house like this. Remember when I built upstairs?
Mm-hmm.
Like this, I can turn it into this. You remember that? Bye, guys. And guys, look at my car. Look at it.
Show us your rocket ship. Show us what you can make.
Well, I can get one of my tools.
Sure, show us.
And then take a part off and then do this and then take a part off like this. And then I can lift it.
Wow. And you also got a tractor over there in the corner. Do you want to show the boys and girls at home your tractor? And how it works? Whoa! And then you scoop it on the ground. And back up. Yep, lock. Good boy. How do you back up? Beep, beep. Cool. You gonna scoop it up?
Back up. And then, hey. Push it out.
Oh, we're doing a burnout.
Car.
Oh, you gotta put the thing back in. Put it in on the side of the bucket. It's okay, just park it. I'll fix it later.
I got this.
Okay. Should we say goodbye now?
Bye, welcome, and thank you for seeing my stuff. Bye.